Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing NCT Wish's Color. I've already had this, opened it and everything, but I wanted to show you guys what came with it. Starting off, I have these two sticker sheets, I want to say. I'm not sure if they came with the album or if the place I bought it from just wanted to give it to me as a gift. Sakuya Sion Ro Yusi Riku J. Let's start with the jewel case. This is the NCT Wish version. That's the front and the back. Automatically you see the CD with all the members. And if we open this section, you will see the photo book. Ooh. I have two photo cards. And this white one was actually taped to the front because it was my pre-order benefit. So I'll show you that one first, and then I'll show you the one that actually came with this. Pre-order benefit was UC. And the one that came with this album was J. Let's jump into the next album I have. Now this one is the photo book. I took the sticker that was on the plastic that it came in because if I really like a sticker, I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, this is the front. And this is the back. Let's get this out. And let's flip through really quick. This is the CD that comes with it. It also comes with this flyer. Why do I keep calling it a flyer? It's a poster. It also comes with these stickers. I also have a Polaroid and 3 photo cards. Based off of the color of the Polaroid, I think it's safe to assume that this is J. This first photo card belongs to J. And then I have Bigu. And last but not least, I love his signature. We have Ro. That was it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.